Once again, welcome all of you. And today's session we discuss about the DSCP server, and another is the DNS. What is the DNS? So first, in the last session we discussed DSCP. What is the DSCP? Full form DSCP is the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and the practical name, yeah, you can say another name of DSCP is the automatic allotment of IP to the client, yeah, users. Help of the DSCP is automatically in any network, uh, which devices connected to the network, they allotted the IP. By default, DSCP is the feature of router. In the last session, we discussed how to the router allotment of IP to the various devices, either on laptop, mobile phone, computer. So it is the simply every router, if more than 2811 series in the case of the Cisco, uh, all router by default, they have this internal feature. By just I instruct some instructions fire in their configuration mode, automatically work is undergoing progress. Okay. So, but one more point already point out in the last session. If complete work load burden on the handover to the router, so router is may be damaged, and router is highly cost and more effective, and more main work of the router is one network to another network communication. So by reduce conjunctions and saving of their hardware, so we just make a server. So today we same network, another location, we make the some server. So I just before going further instruction, we discuss. This is my project. In the last session, we discussed this router, this computer allotment of IP by the this router, and the today's section already configure. Here I just make some server, and one more thing discussed in the last session. In the world, there are two position. Their IP address is never automatic. First one is the router port. This port is never automatic allotment type IP, and server. Another second is the server. So first allotment of IP, first take the server and connect the network. And as per planning, here I just planning 2.5 for the DSCP server, DNS server 2.10, web server is 2.11 as per our planning. So this IP, just click on the computer, this server, go to desktop and manually allotment. So already allotment of this IP done in the last session. Already one more thing discussed ki normal computer also make as a server. Problem is that in the normal computer, if I make the server, uh, server is 24 hour without power supply of continuous work. So that means ki your computer life up to maximum 90 days automatically it will be expired. So saving of the computer life and more time requirement of the service, so we just use server computer. What is difference between main computer and server computer? Normal computer and main is have only everything in the single mode, single hard disk, single control card, single motherboard, single operating system. But in the server computer, every hardware specification in dual mode, at least minimum dual mode. Some hardware may be triple mode also. So mostly dual mode is available in the Azure server, because due to the server dual mode, it may be possible at a time one is working, another is idle mode. So their life will be increased minimum 2 year, 3 year. This is the main reason why server computer make different specification with the normal computer. But sometime in LTTC, I have three server here. So one server use of the normal computer as a server. Okay. But because I know ki after 3 months it will be damaged, so after 2 months I replace another computer. Automatically life will be increased. Okay. And here symbol why difference. One symbol difference because normal IT software develop company like TCS, Wipro, and Mahindra Tech, and a lot of international software develop company, MNC company will be there. They develop the software. BSNL is a server software user, not software developer. So TCS is the big company, and maximum around 60 to 70% software purchased by the BSNL. So software company in your college, if campus placement will be there, if IP company come for placement because they private company mostly, and they develop the software, but their software which purchaser, BSNL, Reliance, like big company, they will be purchaser. And annually we payment the one time purchaser fees and annually a license fees like antivirus software. You time one time software purchase of antivirus, and annually after the key and update your software 1 year warranty. Okay. Same manner here. So in the normal computer, I click here. So you can see here only a config, desktop, something very minimum thing. But if I click on the server computer, so this is by all thing is safe. One option is separate. If I click here services, so you find out this types all are feature HTTPS. So because these are all software, this software who developed by the private organization IT company. So why is server icon here showing different? Because normal computer have no software, but it had a software. Okay. So simply I provided you the packet tracer software. How to install? Simply download, click on setup button, next, and finally finish. So all software, either normal software, either big software, same manner you can install. Server computer by default in India, operating system use the Linux, but it means if anybody asks to you, is it possible to Windows computer make as a server? Definitely possible. But why not make Windows computer as a server? Because Windows computer normally normal people are very familiar. So say server computer not make familiar to normal people. Otherwise, anybody come to enter in the server room may be damaged, may be disturbed. Okay. So due to the security reason, due to the unfamiliar, because only expert person may be handle the server. Okay. So say by the Linux. Okay. But suppose if you want to make Windows computer software, so very simply just purchase software server DSCP software purchased by the TCS company. Uh, just click on computer setup, next, and finally finish. And some icon will be there. So in this computer already software installed. This so here how I want to make my this server as a DSCP server. So first is basic IP allotment already done. Today just icon will be available on your desktop computer. Just click on DSCP. Here is a simulator. So you can by default here is simulator. So you can see here everything on the single windows. But in the real time, if click on the icon shortcut, so just open, and first option, what is the default gateway? So you just put what is the default gateway in my this diagram. This is the this port. So just I modified 192.168.2.1. This is default gateway. Next button in the real world, but here simulator. So next button DNS server. In my network, DNS server is also available. So I write down 192.168. This is a 2.10. What is the start IP? Okay. So last session, one more thing in the network computer, we just some IP must be reserved for the server and router port. So we are just starting the from 11, yeah, 20. So meaning of this is because if you are nothing is right, just you write 1. So from 1 to 250 in my network /24. So 1 to 254 number of IP possible. So your server maybe able to allot every IP. But one more thing already discussed ki in some IP not given to any user, so some IP must be ensured by you ki that will be not given to any customer. So you just write here 21. So meaning of here ki from 1 to 20 IP is not given to anyone. So if I allot 2.5 manually, so 2.10, 2.11, something. So up to 20 computer or 20 devices you can connect that IP manually because this is reserved. And if you want to connect, because now 21 to 254 more than 230 computer possible. If you want to only 100 computer connect in network, it's possible. If you want to only two, suppose in Wi-Fi, making the DHCP server, and in Wi-Fi just the maximum number of user you set only two. So from your home Wi-Fi only two user may be connected. So it is on your hand. If you are not, nothing is right here. So by default, remaining data will be taken by this. So just I write 5.2, just 100. Okay. Now save, and finally service on, again save. First configuration, service already default on. So my DHCP is the ready. If I click my the laptop and go to the desktop and here, so by default IP 22 allotment here. Because automatic, suppose this computer, I click, this is static, I click automatic, so what happened here? 224. So I just my computer, these all devices 21. So this is the 21, 22, this 21, this is a 22, this is a 23, this 23, and this 24. If I another. So how to allotment of IP from the DHCP server is very simply just go to the any company, software developer, purchase that software, install your server PC and your computer server PC, make some basic configuration, and it will automatically work. So this is the DHCP server. So maximum organization DHCP work done by the DHCP server, not router, because router is a very costly device. It will be failed to definitely 1 lakh, 2 lakh, but it will be damaged to definitely 10 lakh, 15 lakh to higher cost. So this is the DHCP. So hopefully ki are you now able to understand what is the meaning of DHCP, how to configure DHCP. If network is a small network, so you can directly router make as a DHCP server, no issue. If very big network and high traffic, so definitely in this case you make a DHCP server. Otherwise your computer if you due to the some lack of money, so your computer hardware and router will be damaged. Okay. So now my next option is the DNS. DNS. What is the DNS? DNS name is the domain name server. Sometime domain, this is a domain name server. Sometime somebody tell service. Sometime you can system. Okay. So this is the DNS, and this is a technical name. So as per requirement, full form, all three full form is applicable for the DNS. What is the another name of the DNS? This is also known as, this is a very important question for UPSC and other bank exam. Internet telephone directory. Who is known as internet telephone directory? This is also known as internet telephone directory. Okay, another. Okay. So my next question. One thing already all are, I think, hopefully very easy to understand. In the world, in the current scenario, in the data communication, yeah, modern communication, yeah, IT communication, you can use any word, no problem. Minimum requirement for communication is the IP address. Okay. Without IP address, nobody communicate from one location to another location. But reality is that suppose nobody open any website. For the example, website is definitely one web server located, but nobody if you want, yeah, anyone want to open the any website, so nobody types the IP address. All are the type the website address. So website address not uh, 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 help to the communication. It is generally because human understanding, learning understanding, name is easy to learn and easy to manage. So definitely in your network there is one mechanism is available that help of if any user type in the web browser www.facebook.com, so my computer first go to the that server. They give the what is the this website related to which IP address, resolve the website address to IP address. This is the DNS server. DNS server is nothing. It is just give the every website what is their IP address. So why this is a telephone directory? In old time, if at your home any customer take a telephone, yeah, install telephone, so BSNL company or any other company provided one telephone directory. In the telephone directory, there are two options. One is the name and the address, another is the telephone number. So if I have know the name of any person, so I can know what is the telephone number of that person. If I have a telephone number, so I help of the telephone number easily identify what is the customer name and their address. So this is a telephone directory. Earlier in the, if anybody have the telephone at home, so they have also telephone directory. So now time is 10. This is a new technology. In the new technology, this scenario only change internet telephone directory. So there are two options. One side is the website name, another side the correspondent website. What is the IP address, a web server address? Okay. So this is the, so how to make same manner software purchase from the software develop company. This is also feature of the router. So in the router, you firing the some command is possible. Now in my diagram, I just make the server. So suppose this is the web server 192 dot this is a suppose this is the facebook.com www.facebook.com. Okay, my facebook.com server ID is that. So just DNS server, first make up the service, go to the service. Now software DNS, already software installed, service will be on. In DNS server, a lot of IP address and a correspondence, a lot of website address. So suppose here I type www.facebook.com. What is the address facebook.com? This is the facebook.com. Address is the 192.168. That is the 2.11 and add. Okay. So one record is here. So suppose I want to, from the laptop, I want to open facebook.com. So my laptop definitely there in the third line, last line, there will be a DNSCP. So my laptop first go to the DNS server. DNS server given the information ki what is the IP address of the facebook.com. Just go here, come back, open the web page and come back to open the this web page. So this is the DNS. So DNS server not only in the local network, it may be this network is also possible. If my in my computer, if DNS line I put just click here. Now, suppose that PC0, go to it. Just here last line is DNS server. Earlier there is no DNS server, no. So here in DNS server is not only, it may be another location is also possible. So I just DNS server 192.168.2.10. So if I want to open my PC0 to this website, it is possible. So first my computer help our DNS go to the this DNS server. This DNS give the information what is the IP address of facebook.com. Just come back and go to the Facebook. This take web page and come back and your web page of open from this your computer. This is the DNS server. Okay. So now check that practically working, yes or no. First clean up the screen. Now this is I try to from this laptop to this open. This both are the communication is okay. First I check. Okay. So just click on the laptop. Go to the web browser. Suppose in my DNS only one website information is available. So suppose I type here any website that website information is not available in my the DNS server like www.kksy.com suppose. So such type of information is not available. So what happened in this case? In my DNS reject and he's just information sent. Host name is unresolved. What is this? This is not any available. But if I type facebook.com, now this is open. Okay. So if available, this open, otherwise not open. Now go another side also check. I think pixel 0 first communication check. Okay. And another communication also check. It is working here. Okay. Now both are working. So now click on the PC 0. Go to the web browser. Again here type www.facebook.com. So this page is open. Or in PC5 there is no any DNS. Okay, so what happened in this case? You also see here the port www.facebook.com. Okay, so my computer is confused. Nothing any response. No host unresolved. So he just confused. So what is this? There is no DNS, no communication. Just hold down. Okay. In my real computer, this is the my real computer. Click on, go to the network. Change it after setting. Properties. Okay, in my real computer, you can first go to the PCP. Okay, in real computer. So here you can put IP address 10.10. Like my computer 1.4 and subnet suppose 255. This is the 255. A gateway in my LTTC. This is the LTTC 1.30. In LTTC, I have to already. If you are all see the my lab video, so you can see there is a DNS controller, DSCP controller. Again, I request to use server visit lab video again see and learn to the how my this all network option. So you can see there my the DNS 1.30. Okay. And what is the alternate DNS? So one more question arises to all of you. In my local computer, local DNS in the world, billion to billion, million to million website will be available. But it is not possible that I store every website data in my computer. So what is the possibility? In this case, alternate DNS will be available. What is alternate DNS? By default, here I put a lot of alternate DNS. 8.8.8. This by Google, because I know कि Google DNS server, Google is the most popular server and website in the world. So they have different location, different DNS server. So some most popular 8.8. If in your at home computer in mobile phone, you can also do it 8.8.4.4. Next is the 4.4. Up to 12 number of how many 12 number of DNS server till time available in Google. Okay, because Google is a very big citizen, so Google one very big market capture in the world DNS server. So if in alternate option always you can see somebody here put you can put 8.8.8. Any DNS server. So if my computer information of that website is not available, that website IP address is not available, so he just go to the alternate DNS as per your given information. Definitely it is guaranteed 99.99% it's a guarantee कि DNS server information Google definitely available. So he just find out what is the IP address and come to my local DNS, and today's software is too much strong. By default, automatically this information modified in also local DNS server. Okay, so this is the DNS. Okay, so now hopefully this is all the communication is the network portion. uh, and one more thing, I just share firing. Please anyone type your college website name. So I just showing ki how to check out ki I don't know ki what is your college website address, but I if you provided in the chat box, kindly write your college data, your website. Put anyone, Saik Samir, yeah, Kanishka, kindly put your college website. I just check what is the IP address of your college, what is your path. Anyone? Yes. Banasthali.Kanishka. Okay. So are you know ki what is the IP address of your Banasthali? And now today no. Trace RT. This is a command. You can check www dot Banasthali Banasthali.org. Okay, I just firing this. So your Banasthali IP, my DNS server already aware what is the IP address of your Banasthali. Okay, and just how to my computer gateway museum. This is the go to the local my router. This is the go to the Ghaziabad router port, and this is the Delhi router port. Okay, and this is the go to the Mumbai. This again back to the Jaipur. 182 to the also for the Jaipur. Here the some security mechanism is available, so some data will not showing. And this is the go to the Antune Trace Network 80 dot. This is the I think some private organization. Again some required as 60.60. These all IP address swing from which location, which router to which router they can move. T core 1 dot and 50. This is also the BSNL router port. But there's some mechanism. Otherwise, I got every location. Ki how to I move your Banasthali organization. This is a 5 to the this is again reach Jaipur. Same location in the Jaipur. And after Jaipur, some again security feature is available. So a lot of round and round in the Jaipur already 2 time in the Jaipur room, different router. Your Banasthali IP address is simply first my DNS server identify what is the your Banasthali IP address. He getting this is the web server 50 dot. I think this is available inside the Banasthali. Very nice. Your Banasthali University, I think same server, same location. Very nice. Very security. I think 52 and nearby the Banasthali. Inside secure network done by the your organization. Otherwise, I got every location here and maybe hacking your Banasthali. Okay. So inside, I think 52. Then after 52 also in the Jaipur, but I think there some is any Jaipur some one position or some location also for the Banasthali some any offices या any institute extension will be here. कनिष्का क्या बनस्थली में भी कुछ है क्या वहां पे? ये बनस्थली से मुझे आगे सिक्योर दिख रहा है ये। एक तो बनस्थली में तो है ही, इसके अलावा एनी बनस्थली के अलावा भी कुछ जयपुर में कुछ है क्या? नहीं, नेटवर्क बनस्थली इज दैट नेटवर्क, बट आफ्टर द बनस्थली बनस्थली का कोई सर्वर आपके जयपुर में भी है? कोई बनस्थली का एक्सटेंशन है या कोई बनस्थली का ऑफिसेज है या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है? Okay, but मैं ये देख के it is my experience, definitely you check out, definitely some office या some extension या some branch of our Vanasthali is available in also in the Jaipur, क्योंकि this is also showing that this because 50 that means कि definitely ये this router, तो this router is secure and this is all your inside, पक्का होगा, तभी ये दिखा नहीं रहा, फाइनली आपका वो डिटेल आ जाएगा, लास्ट में यही आ जाएगा आपका, वन मोर मैक्सिमम 30 ऑफ तक पॉसिबल है, तो फाइनली रीच इन द बनस्थली इनसाइड. दिस इज द नेटवर्क. तो अगेन हम आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि काइंडली चेक एंड जो हमारा सर्वर विजिट है अगेन रिपीट. तो दिस इज नेटवर्क पोर्शन इज ओवर फ्रॉम टिल 1 to till प्रैक्टिकल पोर्शन है अगेन, ठीक है, दिस इज कंप्लीट. तो प्योर सिक्योर, this is I say your pure secure, otherwise this information also showing here. So definitely in the Jaipur there is some location of the Banasthali is available, they locally not allowed to outsider here, because I am going to from outsider, so I am not allowed, but I am expert, so I have some another option ki how to inside reach, that is different matter. Okay, okay. So this is the today's session. We discuss about complete the network portion. In the network portion, we discussed the from day 1 to till time. Day 1 we connect connections of the cable, IP allotment, then routing protocol from one location to another location. Third is the DSCP, and final is the DNS. So this is the complete part of the configuration of the network portion. Now still course is available, security. Okay, so maximum tomorrow or day after tomorrow, 2 days more session to hopefully complete your security manner. And I think I want to one additional configuration IP phone. So tomorrow we discuss IP phone, then we go to security. Okay, so definitely if you are request to all of you tomorrow join, and you all of work with me and ring telephone on your computer to computer. Okay, your own computer. Any questions, any doubt, so please ask. Otherwise you see the video, make it complete. Okay, thank you for today. Again join, see you tomorrow. Thank you all of you.